I'm going to show you how to create this smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. To start, we need to add our text using the Type tool and adjust it to our liking, choosing the right font, size, and alignment for a polished look. Once we have the text in place, we'll apply the transform effect. This is crucial because it allows us to add motion blur, giving the animation a smooth and natural flow. Now, let's add movement to the text by setting position keyframes. Click on the stopwatch icon next to position to add a keyframe. We'll start with a small downward movement and then gradually bring it back to the original placement. Move the playhead 1 second ahead and reset the position. This will add another keyframe. To make the animation smoother, select the keyframes, right-click, temporal interpolation, ease in, repeat the process, and select ease out. Now, we are going to adjust the speed graph to create a movement that starts quickly and then slows down smoothly. Open the velocity curves, drag the right handle to the left, and then drag the left handle up to the left. This subtle change makes all the difference in creating a high-quality text animation. Next, we'll animate the opacity, making the text fade in naturally to match the movement. Move the playhead couple of frames back and toggle the stopwatch icon next to opacity. Once you have done that, move the playhead back at the start and change the opacity to 0%. To make the animation smoother, select the keyframes, right-click, ease in, repeat the process, and select ease out. And lastly, increase the shutter angle to 360 for motion blur. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro editing tips. See you in the next one!